All right, everybody, welcome back. We are diving into some really cool stuff today. Get this, AI and real estate.
AI and real estate.
Now, I know what you're thinking.
Yeah.
Spreadsheets, Zillow, boring.
Right.
But trust me on this one. This is about a company called AiRE Solutions
Okay.
and the AI tools they're building that are changing the game for agencies.
Interesting.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about a chatbot that's available 24/7,
Oh, wow.
an AI receptionist,
Okay.
and get this
Yeah.
automation for all that like back office stuff nobody wants to do.
All the paperwork and the data.
Exactly. So get ready because we are going deep on AiRE Solutions and the future of real estate.
So AI is not just some like futuristic fantasy anymore. It's
Right.
really here. And it is changing how things work. And Air Solutions, they're like right there on the front lines,
Okay.
offering tools that are, designed for real estate, for the challenges that agencies and agents face.
So it's not just like a generic AI. It's specifically built for real estate.
Yep.
That's super interesting. So let's talk about that chatbot.
Yeah.
24/7 availability. I mean, how is that even possible?
Right.
And is it really as good as they say it is?
It's pretty amazing, actually.
Okay.
Think about it. You're house hunting. It's like 10 o'clock on a Tuesday night.
Yeah.
You have a question about a listing.
Yeah.
Instead of waiting, till the next day to call an agent,
Right?
you can just chat with the bot, get your answer right then and there.
That's incredible, but can it really answer like all my questions?
Like what about zoning regulations or
Yeah.
HOA fees, like those detailed things. So the way it works is it's trained on a massive amount of real estate data.
Okay.
So it can handle a lot of the common questions,
Right.
but if it gets a question that's too complex, it will pass you over to a human agent.
Oh, okay. So it's like
Yeah.
it knows its limits.
Exactly.
That makes sense.
Seamless transition.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this AI receptionist, this is like every real estate agent's dream come true, right?
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Tell me more about this because it just sounds
Right.
almost too good to be true.
So think of it like a virtual assistant,
Okay.
but, super powered. It uses natural language processing
Mm-hmm.
to handle a whole bunch of tasks.
Like what?
Answering calls, qualifying leads, scheduling appointments, and even doing some basic follow-ups.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Yeah.
So I'm picturing this. I'm picturing an agent. They're out showing a house.
Right.
And meanwhile, their AI receptionist is like back at the office,
Yeah.
answering calls, booking more showings, pre-qualifying leads.
You got it.
Is that really where we're headed?
It's definitely the direction things are moving.
Oh.
And you can see why. I mean, the amount of time an agent could save
Yeah.
by getting rid of all those little administrative tasks.
It's credible. It's like,
Right. More time to build relationships, negotiate deals.
yeah, to do the things that really required, that human touch.
Exactly, that personalized service that clients still really want.
Okay, but what about that human touch?
Mhm.
I mean, are all clients going to be comfortable, talking to an AI?
You bring up a really important point.
Yeah.
And it's something that, Air Solutions has really thought about.
Okay.
The AI receptionist is designed to work with, not replace, human interaction.
Oh,
It handles the routine stuff, but for those conversations that need,
yeah.
a little bit of empathy, a little bit of nuance, a real person steps in.
So it's like a partnership
Exactly.
between the AI and the human agent.
Yep. AI lays the groundwork, gets things started, and then
Yeah.
the agent comes in to build those relationships.
Provide that expertise.
Exactly.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about the automation services.
Right.
This is where the magic happens,
This is
right?
where things get really efficient.
Yeah, because real estate involves so much, like
Oh, so much. Tedious, repetitive work.
data entry, creating those marketing materials.
Right. And updating the CRM.
Follow-up emails, yeah, all of that.
That's like nobody's favorite part of the job.
No, not at all.
So how is AI tackling all that?
It can automate a big chunk of it.
Really?
Yeah, freeing up staff to do more, I guess you could say, high-level tasks.
So less time on spreadsheets, more time with clients.
Exactly.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah, it's a win-win.
But, okay, this is the question I think everyone's thinking.
Yeah.
What about jobs?
Right.
Are we going to see AI taking over roles that, humans used to do?
I mean, it's a valid concern.
Yeah.
People worry about job displacement, but it's not that simple.
Okay.
Sure, some tasks will be automated. That's going to happen.
Right.
But this also gives people a chance to learn new skills, to focus on the areas where humans are irreplaceable.
Oh, so it's not like
Yeah.
eliminating jobs, it's shifting them.
Exactly.
Okay, that's a really good way to look at it. It's about using these tools to be more effective, to offer a better service.
So to recap AiRE Solutions,
Yeah.
they've got these three key AI solutions.
Right?
The chatbot that's available 24/7, the AI Receptionist for all those administrative tasks,
Yeah.
and then the automation services that, streamline everything behind the scenes.
It's changing how real estate works, that's for sure.
It really is. It's like we're on the verge of
Yeah.
a whole new era of real estate, and AI is leading the charge.
And the important thing to remember here is that it's not about replacing human agents.
Right.
It's about giving them the tools to succeed, in this digital world that we live in.
And the agents who embrace this technology,
Yeah.
they're going to be the ones who thrive. They're going to provide the best experiences for their clients.
They're going to stay ahead of the curve.
And it's not just about, using the tech. It's about understanding how to use it effectively
Right.
to really enhance those human connections.
That personal touch.
Exactly, because at the end of the day, real estate is all about people.
It is, absolutely.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive. I hope this has given everyone a glimpse into the future of real estate.
Yeah, it's an exciting time to be in the industry.
It really is.
And things are changing fast, so keep an eye on these tools, see how they evolve.
Yeah.